Most people think if they haven't started silver stacking by their 20s or 30s, they've missed out. Too late, not enough time, not enough money. But here's the truth. You've got 10 years. You're not too late. In fact, you might be in a better position than most people just starting out. Now, I know that sounds like one of them things people just say to you to make you feel better. But this isn't motivation. This is maths and actually how stacking works. Because silver stacking isn't about getting rich quick. It's about doing something very simple, consistently, over a period of time. And most people misunderstand that. The biggest mistake people make, especially when they start later in life, they think they need to catch up. So what do? They wait for the perfect price, they try and time the market, or they go too hard, too fast, and burn out. Not because they started late, but they just approached it the wrong way. Now, here's how you got to think about this. Forget 1 year, forget 3 years, 4 years. You got to think in 10-year blocks, because that's where stacking really starts to compound. Not in price spikes, but in terms of accumulation. This is the shift. You're not trying to time the market, you're trying to build weight over time. Stackers don't chase price. They build ounces bit by bit over a long period of time. So let's break this down really simple. Say you put away £200 a month into silver. Now, it all depends on the budget. You can do less or more, but let's say £200 a month. Depending on the price, that'll probably get you, at the moment, around 3 ounces. That's not life-changing, right? But over a year, that's 36 ounces. Over 5 years, that's 180. And over 10 years, well, that's over 350 ounces of physical silver. Now, this is the part that most people ignore. But also, that's without factoring in price increases, currency devaluation when they print more of it, or rising demand. You've just built quietly a real, tangible, something you can hold, a real asset without stress, without guessing, just consistency over time. And that's all it is. So if you've got 10 years, you can do this. And here's where it gets interesting. Because if you're starting in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, you actually have certain advantages. You should have more discipline. You should have more life experience, and you should have more stable income. And as the older you get, as mortgages get paid off, kids leave home, you should have more disposable income, which means you can increase your stacking and the amount you're putting into it. You're not chasing the hype. You're thinking long term. So instead of saying, I'm too late, ask the better question. What can I build over the next 10 years? Because that's the game. 10 years. Now, let's be real for a second. This isn't exciting. It isn't fast. And it's definitely not what YouTubers like to push at you. There's no silver's going to 10x tomorrow. Silver to the moon. It's all BS. But that's exactly why this works. Because most people won't stick to something this simple. They'll just dismiss it. They'll get distracted. They'll overthink it. Or they'll just quit too early. The ones who don't, they're the ones who quietly build their stacks over time and get the results and the rewards that they deserve. So if you're starting today, here's a simple play. Buy consistently, either weekly or monthly, depending on your budget. Focus on weight, not the price. Keep premiums low where you can. Avoid fractional and think long term. That's it. It's not complicated strategy. There's no perfect timing. It's just repetition. Doing the reps over and over again. Because the truth is, it's not about when you start. It's about whether you stay consistent once you do. And 10 years is all you need. So you can do the maths yourself and work it out. If you're starting at 60, by the time you're 70, you could have a nice little nest egg sorted out. So time's on your side, it really is. 10 years from now, you're either going to be wishing that you'd started or you'll be glad that you did. So I'm curious, if you had 10 years starting today, would you build a silver stack, or are you still sitting on the fence? Let me know in the comments. I do read every single one, guaranteed. And if you want to go deeper into subjects like this, check out Stackers Social. It's the fastest growing silver community on the internet. There's a link in the description below, and we can carry on the conversation in there. Thanks for watching.